and welcome back. In this mini episode, I wanted to show you how to propagate rosemary. This small bush I started from seed a year ago, and I got about 3 plants from that. So it's a lot of work to start rosemary from seed. You can see how I'm getting several branches, and when you see a strong branch that's at least 4 to 6 inches in length, we can trim that. So I'm going to come near the edge of the woody stem and trim this at a 45-degree angle. And after you've trimmed it, I'm just going to pluck each of the leaves off the stem, and we can use those in our cooking or aromatherapy. Gonna leave a few of the leaves at the top and get a cup of water to submerge these at least a couple inches deep. You can see there are nodes where each of the leaves were. Those are opportunities to start root growth. Now I've got my cup of water with. You can either insert the stem directly into the water, or if you have a rooting hormone such as this Garden Safe Take Root, might encourage this to root a little quicker. So all you do is dip the stem in water, dip it in the rooting hormone, and then just tap off the excess. So in a couple of weeks, we should start seeing some root formation. This is a propagation cutting I took at least a couple of weeks ago. I think it's been longer than that. But you can see these roots are getting quite long now, at least an inch. I'm gonna wait until these are at least a couple inches long, or 5 centimeters, and maybe there's a few more of them before I plant it. You can plant it early. If you're going to do that, you want to make sure you have a well-drained soil that's a little bit sandy. Rosemary is a Mediterranean plant. It likes humidity, and it really doesn't need too much compost or fertilizer to do well. If you are taking a woodier cutting from a large rosemary plant, I would suggest shaving off some of the woody part that will be in the water. So that'll help the stem get to the water better. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your garden. See you next time.